Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan from Uno Ear Device. Uno knows your one and only Atafa the Press. Well, me go start it off like this. Earthquake recording in sections of St. Elizabeth. Who feel the earthquake yesterday, my wisdom warriors? Who feel it? Who feel the earthquake? You can stamp up the comment section and let me know what go on. So, according to the article, sections of the island were rocked by an earthquake a short while ago. The earthquake occurred at approximately 5:46 p.m., 25 kilometers from Albert Town, Trelawney. Unofficial reports are that the earthquake measured 4.4 magnitude. When I hear that, my wisdom warriors, 4.4 magnitude, the earthquake measured. You know what? Me think so no more earthquake never there happen, seriously. But look, come back again and now it's 4.4. You see, anytime I see these things, Jamaica, I want to prepare up on yourself. I want to get ready. Because remember, the government always late. And then I encourage them people to be prepared. You know, so when them type of things there happen so and every often, you have to look out in our eyes. You understand me? Me not say something bigger coming, but me I tell you no, prepare yourself because a suck earthquake always start. You see at my desk, little bit round this, and then when you look, a big one comes. So me I ask all of my wisdom warriors, all of my viewers and subscribers, please may I beg you, just prepare on yourself. You understand? Just prepare. And may I call upon the government to explain to the people them, encourage the people them, if an earthquake really fi happen, a big one, just say for example, if an earthquake fi really fi hit, what and what should they do? So you have to put out these things, encourage the people them. Use up an article, use up on a mouthpiece, to encourage the people them to prepare. Likewise, the hurricane, same thing. You understand me? Same thing. Because when I use the mouthpiece them for just spread pure lies and propaganda. You understand me? And the real issue on not spread. So my wisdom warriors, that. Anyway, hear this. The Jamaica Constabulary Force says the woman seen in a physical altercation with the police at a primary school in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, has been charged. The incident occurred on Monday. In a video that has since gone viral, a woman is seen grabbing the uniform of a policewoman who in turn holds onto the woman's hair. Lord Jesus. My wisdom warriors, you know what? Sometimes they article and carry the story them right. Sometimes they don't, I wonder if they watch the video properly. I wonder if they watch the video thoroughly. I wonder if they watch the video. My wisdom warriors, looking at the video, me just tell you from my point of view, yeah? Looking at the video, it is a disgrace and it is an embarrassment. I do not like what happened, yeah? The way how the police was reacting, you cannot hold somebody in them ear. You cannot do that. Hold somebody in them ear. You don't do that. That can cause death. A lot of people don't know these things. Simple holding onto the ear like that. Oh no. You understand me? A lot of people don't know all these things. So when me see the woman, if you talk to the woman, me telling you something, police woman out there and police girl cannot find no one nobody like una man or una girl. We want to know that. Because the woman, if you talk to the woman, remember so the woman and a little pitney, So the woman are going to answer you. And maybe it depends on how you approach the lady. Because we know so enough of no police boy and police girl not have no manners. We all know that. We don't know how to approach people. Sometimes I want everybody to have understanding. Sometimes the way how the police them approach people and them tone of voice, them very disrespectful. Them very disrespectful. Me I tell you, my wisdom warriors, you know that too. Sometimes, when a police come and approach a situation, I know what them say, but no found look on what them say. It's how they say it. It's how they say it. So the way all them come across to the civilians them, make the civilians them reacted the way how they react. You understand me? It gives the police woman no right to grab nobody in them ear. And on top of that, she bite up the woman. The police woman bite up the woman. The police woman bite up the lady. If you talk to the lady, if you say to the lady, say, come off of the compound. Yeah? And the lady now come off of the compound. I just said the lady, and you come off of the compound. Yeah, the lady, of course, must what you say to the lady is what me tell you now, my wisdom warriors. And if you understand, it's not what the police them say, is how them say it, is how them approach the situation. And that alone, sometimes, the way they approach it, and that trigger you off, I know what them say. Because then can a simple say to you say, to leave the compound. But it's the way, how them say it. You understand? You don't know what they're saying. It's not what you say. It's how you say it. So the police can tell her if I left the compound. But the way how she say it, at that trigger off the lady. Me I tell you now. Yeah, me tell you something. You have people that justify the situation. It gives the police officer no right for hold her in her ear. No right for bite her. She for get fire for that. Me tell you that. You think nobody out here on a pitney? Only think nobody out here. Only thinks that the civilians them are on a pitney. No for you can't control on a pitney on a yard. No for you. I don't want to come out the road can control civilians. But you not easy. Huh? You not easy none at all. I want you there. Where you there? I that me want know. I that them a train up at the camp. When you get on the training, then train you for bite. I that me want know because I do not know. If you talk to somebody and then I listen, yeah? Me tell you, see all these things, you see all of them suck me and grab up and you have to stop that. You have to stop it. And I like say the woman have a weapon. Woman never have no weapon. So if the woman a pint up in your face, yeah? All right then, she pint up in your face and you hold on pan her or whatever. Yeah? It shouldn't be like that. But just say, a woman pint up in your face because of that you said the woman pint up in your face. And then what you do as a police officer, you grab her here. And when you grab her here, what you think she going to do? She going to just dead there? No, she going to retaliate. So me don't want some people come out. Me tell you, this is my opinion. Me don't want some people come out and chat off their mouth. And I say, oh, the woman, this and that. It's not that, my wisdom warriors. It's not that. It's the way how the police, they approach people at that trigger off people. At that trigger off people. Because you can be the nicest person and then come to you and approach you and start disrespect you and style you a certain way. Style you. All right, me not going to say disrespect. Just say style you. Them are going to tell you, say, come off of the compound. But I the way how them say to you. You have to know how to talk to people. Because that alone what you say can trigger off people. So the police, they need training on how to approach individuals in the street. The police, they need training on how to speak properly to the people them. You can't just get up and rush people and style people and everybody take disrespect. And everybody are going to take it. So not because you're police, I feel like you can't come and deal with people like shit. And a side figure. That is wrong. You understand me? That is wrong. And no found to a gun boy and gun girl. And you can't get for do certain things on the going at the force. Because no found a killer too. No found a real killer. No found. You understand? And you want to do things too. You know say if you go turn gunman and gun girl. Yeah? No found we lose on a life. So you decide say, all right, you go turn to the police officer. But really and truly, your aim is not to protect no public. Your aim is to come out and kill people. That is your aim. So when I see the Indicom come out and say they're not probe, Jamaica, this is why I'm telling myself, wise up. Wise up, Jamaica. Wise up. The Indicom Our next one come out and say they not probe. So that means if you not investigate it, that means una give it like it is a okay then for the police then can bite up individuals, bite up civilians, grab them ear and do anything they want to do. And that you tell the people. I'm tell you who caused all of this problem. Horace Chang. And make black people turn upon black people. And Jamaica now see that. The dirty thinking labor right they now see that. Uno labor right. Uno see them when I get beaten too. Uno see, wait there. Uno think so when the police then come for uno, them I say, oh, yeah, labor right? The police them I say that? Me tell you, son of use on a brain, brother. Use on a brain. Don't look pan Horace Chang good. Don't know some can't say certain things, but don't look pan Horace Chang good there. Horace Chang. You hear the name? Horace Chang. Horace Chang look like a somebody where he want black people to survive. Hey, uno stay there. Uno stay there, make other nation and make we are killer for one another. Me say my wisdom warriors from Horace Chang come out with this show to KIL business. And that's how everything go wrong. Uno notice the more they send out the Zozo, uno notice the more people DEAD. Uno notice that. Uno not see what go on in the country. Uno not see what go on. The more them put the Zozo them out, and the more people DIEING in the country. Because they don't have a crime plan. No, they say they want to spend how much? 10 billion, me tell you no? How much billion they want to spend for crime? They lie. They just take that the money they and fill them pocket. You hear me? Because enough of them have funeral home. Enough of them where you see politician there have funeral home. And if them even try to reduce the crime, how them are going to get? How are they going to get money? How them are going to get money from them funeral home? People have to read between the lines. You have to see out on the head back. Not only out on the eye. Watch on the head back too. I tell you no. It's rough in Jamaica. And you see, only if Jamaica just come together. Only if Jamaican come together. And the person with the whole accountable is Horace Chang. Horace Chang for hell accountable for all these things. And this police woman, Indicom said they not investigate nothing. Indicom come out and say they're not investigating nothing. That means say the police then figure out and beat everybody. That means say police then figure out and bite up people and drag people here. So that is okay, because that may I get from it. That means say whatever Uno watch Indicom on the video, it is fine with Uno. Uno is not, Uno is same like Horace Chang. I don't know why Uno even have something called Indicom. It don't make no sense because Uno do nothing anyway. Nesta Morgan did come out and tell we say Indicom can't solve no case. Remember, Nesta Morgan come out and said that in my wisdom. Uno no forget, Don't forget. Anyway, Uno tell me what to think about this. As I said, my opinion is totally different from phone opinion. Uno not have to agree with me, Me just tell you, You understand? As a police officer, you have to act more respectably. You not fear drag nobody in them ear. You not fear bite. That is wrong. And I believe that she's supposed to be charged too. I believe that the officer should hang up on suspension and it should be investigated. It is wrong, my wisdom warriors. It is wrong. You understand? And on the need for train on the police officers in the right way. Because when they on ground, they use full force. Full force them use at the people them. On the need to stop it. On the need to stop it. On the too angry. On the set up police. On the take out on the problem. Upon the people them. On the stop it, man. On the stop it. My wisdom warriors, on the tell me what to think about that. Anyway, hear this. My wisdom warriors, Dr. Dayton Campbell, Lord Jesus. Guess what? Me have to tell you the things them. Yes. So Dr. Dayton Campbell share Christopher Tufton page and he said, there is a difference between doctor and doctorate, just like what I said in my last video. Dayton Campbell go on and said, Christopher Tufton is only now realizing there are differences and trained staff are required. Yeah? So him say, right now the minister is only now. You just realize there are differences and trained staff are required. Wanna see them something here? Wanna see? Also, him share Kimon Francis. So Kimon Francis put out and said, both the baby's mom and senior medical officer said there was no ventilator. So how is Dr. Tufton saying not so? Not so to what? You understand? Not so to what? This is what Kimon said, my wisdom warriors. So me I tell you, say Christopher Tufton is just a liar health minister. He can come out and do PR and tricky people them, and the labor right them have it over there. But me, I go over upon my other platform and post it and circle the 15% and the machine them when it's not working. Cause some me do it, you know. Me no ramp with them. My wisdom warriors. This is something where we not feel leave like that. We feel take this up in a hand. Yeah, we feel take this up in a hand. We feel go out and protest, my wisdom warriors. I am encouraging everyone, please to do so, because nobody know when it go reach a for them door. Nobody. So I am asking, I am calling on the Jamaican people, guys. While you're at it, I want you guys to like and share. Please, may I ask you to like and share, because I want this to reach to a lot of people. Like and share this video. I am encouraging all Jamaicans to go out and protest for better health care. Go out and protest for a better health care, my wisdom warriors. We have the power in our hands. And we have to stand up and fix this. If we not come out and ball out, then I go here. If 1 and 2 persons just come out and that's it. Then it calm down. Hush, 9 days gone, that's it. Then they not care. We have to go out in our numbers. You understand? And protest against this. Remember, it's a criminal government, This is a criminal organization we are dealing with, Criminal organization, my wisdom warriors. And they no business with nothing. Only money them business with. Them put wealth over health. These people put wealth over health. I want Jamaican people to understand this. This is why Marky G run out. Hear this.
Government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also. I do not support corruption. Corruption takes money away from children's education. It deprives hospitals of basic necessities. It means that roads are not fixed. Corruption deepens inequality. It siphons off taxpayers' money to make a few cronies richer with the political connections instead of benefiting the people.
My wisdom warriors, when you hear what Marky G say, I want to listen word to word, I want to listen word to word and hear what the man say, I enrich. Andrew them are enrich themselves, I want to listen, word for word, They don't care about Jamaican people, And we have to care about ourselves, This is why I ask, to get up and stand up for our rights. My wisdom warriors, tell me how you feel about this. Tell me what you think about this. And put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Run over to my TikTok and my IG page. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement by blessing up my PayPal and my Zelle. The link I got in the comment section. Blessings upon blessings. One love.